Oishi's city life.
Oishi's city life.
Oishi
Oishi
and her family
and her family
live in a city.
live in a city.
Oishi goes to school
Oishi goes to school
with her father.
with her father.
After school,
She returns home
with her mother.
with her mother.
They always
They always
use the
use the
zebra crossing
zebra crossing
and foot over bridge. Oishi plays
Oishi plays
with her brother in the afternoon. They have a beautiful rooftop garden. Oishi helps her parents with gardening. She waters the plants in their garden. Oishi likes to live in a green city. Every Friday and Saturday, Oishi attends an art class at Bangladesh Shishu Academy. She borrows storybooks from the mobile library of Bishwa Sahitya Kendra. On Wednesday, Oishi loves her city very much.